I just not type anything. That was Urdu, just a free app. The box where you would normally type, next to it a microphone. The first time you press it, it asks permission to use your microphone. Say allow. It cannot hear you otherwise. It only asks once. Then talk, not carefully, the way you talk to a person. And be careful here, because there are two. The plain microphone writes down what you say, the blue circle besides it, a live conversation. A different thing for everything in this video, you want the plain one. So I pressed the microphone and I spoke in Urdu. I said I need to make an assignment for my students tomorrow. The topic is management and keep it simple. Watch what came back. Look at my own words on the screen. That is not Urdu script. That is Hindi. I spoke Urdu. It wrote Hindi. ये जवाब उर्दू में लिख कर दो. That's it. That's it. Now it is in Urdu. And look what it gave me. A complete assignment for my students. Marks, deadline, multiple choice questions, ready to use. Now a complete different job. I asked it plainly in one line. Write a message asking for payment. Nothing more. Watch what it gives me. Watch this. I asked plainly. Write a message asking for payment. The answer is correct. And look how it starts. Now I say the same thing, but first I tell it who I am. I have small hardware shop in Lahore. An old customer has not paid for 2 months. I do not want to lose him. Same request. Watch the difference. Now the same thing with one sentence about myself first. Look, it mentions our old relationship. It explains why I need the money to keep the shop's accounts running. It asks respectfully instead of demanding. It even left blanks for his name, my shop's name, and my number. That is a message I could actually send. It is still Hindi. So one more sentence. Write this message in Urdu and watch what changes, not just the letters. Assalamu alaikum sahib. And at the end, Jazakallah. And look at this. I never asked for it. It offered him installments. If he is genuinely in difficulty, I asked for Urdu. It gave me Urdu, and with it, the way we actually speak to each other. I am showing you Urdu because that is my language. But this is true whatever language you speak. The real issue is it assumes you that you are living somewhere else until and unless you tell it where you live. Most people say one sentence and stop, as if they are paying by the word. Watch what happens when I say the whole thing. 5 bags of cement, 3 of sand, 15,000 rupees, delivery in 2 days, and then write a proper quotation in English. A real quotation, date, quotation number, customer name, item table, terms and conditions. It even told me I could put it on a letterhead, on a parchi, or send it straight on WhatsApp. I spoke Urdu. My customer receives English. Pakistani rupees में लिखो. PKR mention करो. Done. पाकिस्तानी रुपीस. इसे याद नहीं रहता कि आप कहाँ रहते हैं. वो सिर्फ आपके आखिरी हुक्म मानता है, फिर वापस अपनी आदत पर चला जाता है. तो भेजने से पहले पूरा सफ़ा पढ़ लीजिए. सिर्फ वो हिस्सा नहीं जो आपने ठीक करवाया. Everybody deletes it and types the whole thing again. Do not just tell it what was wrong out loud the way you would correct a person. No, too long. Make it shorter and simpler. 3 people, 20 seconds each. A tradesman. His job is good, his work is good, but he loses jobs, orders because he cannot write an English estimate. He speaks it in Urdu, he sends it in English, same work, finally written in the way the customer expects to read. A woman, a housewife, a mother, she's holding a letter in English in her hand. She takes a photo. She asks it in Urdu what this letter is saying. It replies, it answers what the school wants and by when. There are peoples in our homes who have spent years handing their papers to somebody else to read for them. A letter, a prescription, a form from bank. This gives back to them privately. The student, he understands the subject, but he freezes when he has to write it in English. So he asks it out loud in his own language and then write it properly. If that was useful, subscribe. Next Saturday at 7, point your camera at any letter, bill or medicine box and it will read it to you. Now the part most videos leave out. Names, numbers and amounts get heard wrong when you speak them. Every price, every date, every person's name. Read it properly on screen before using it. The free plan has limits. Ask more in shorter time. It slows down until it resets. That is not the fault. That is what free means. And it can be completely wrong while sounding completely sure. It does not know when it will be wrong. It is you. You can check it only. And that will never change. Who, what, fix and press the microphone. One request, send it to one person who believes AI is not for them, a driver, a shopkeeper, someone at home who hands their papers to other people to read. They were not left out because they could not do it. They were left out because nobody showed them the microphone.